everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making breakfast sandwich. So this is the list of ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So first I coated my pan with vegetable oil. Next I'll be adding my sausage to the pan, and I'm going to be frying this continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes to make sure they are properly cooked before adding the next ingredients. So I'm just giving it a good fry and I'm placing it together at the center of the pan before adding the next ingredient. Now they are cooked, I'll be adding my next ingredients, which is my eggs. I beat the eggs before adding it, and I'm placing it directly on top of the sausage to make sure they are properly coated with the sausage. Now I'll be scrambling my eggs, and I'm also putting them on top of the sausage so they are all coated together. You can see as how I'm mixing it and putting it together. So next I'll be flipping the eggs to make sure the other side gets cooked as well. So I'm just giving it a good flip and making sure it gets cooked. After that, I'll be adding one of the cheese slices and a slice of bread directly on top of the cheese slice to make sure they get coated and properly cooked together. And after that, I'll be flipping it to make sure the other side of the bread gets toasted while I put another cheese slice and another slice of bread on top of it. You can use one cheese slice, which is okay as well. So after that, I'm flipping the bread again. You can see this side of the bread is toasted, and toast the other side for about a minute as well. And after that, you can see my breakfast sandwich is good and is ready to go. So this is how my breakfast sandwich looks like. You can see the cheese are all melted and the eggs and sausage are properly coated together and they're all one. So this is a closer look of the breakfast sandwich. It's a recipe you can make in 5 minutes and breakfast is ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.